Hello and welcome back to Pyro 5610. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of long range shooting, and my dad came out. Like I said, hunting season is upon us. We got one more day of archery, which I'm hoping to get out tomorrow and actually hunt. I don't know, because I might be getting my new dog tomorrow, but which I'll put up a video of that too, because he's a cutie. So he's got his .6 out here, but we also have the Sears and Roebuck 22. So that's why I'm going to label this, because people seem to like the Sears and Roebuck. I don't know why. It's an old ass gun, but it shoots really nice. So we have just the regular targets out here. As you can see, there are a few pumpkins left. There were 23 when we started. There was we have 5 in the bed of the truck, and we have something special saved for those, which I think we might actually be able to do out here. So make sure your hearing protection's on, kids. What are you shooting at?
The black target on the left.
Okay. Well.
Hi.
Oh yeah, I see it. No, wait. There's nothing on the target. You know that. There's a circle in the middle.
I see it.
Because both of them have circles. That was high. That was right and just down about an inch.
Yep. All right.
It was up just the same distance off, except up and to the right.
Yep.
All right. So I don't know about you, but that seems like a kill shot for a deer to me. So now we're going to move on to the Sears and Roebuck. So I got a couple little targets out there. My other one fell over. I don't know how that worked. But if you can see today, we have a magazine. So we're going to be shooting 7 out of this bad boy. Looks like it's already loaded up. This gun, what I like about it is it's not particular as to what kind of ammo it can take. It can hold anything. So we're gonna try. I don't know if I got to show this the last time. It has a very weird safety selector switch. That is off and that is on. But it's so old that like it'll just tap into the off position, or vice versa, depending on how you're holding the gun. I can't complain about it though. I love this gun so much. And I just dropped the clip. Mag. There we go. Okay, so I have, let me see if I can zoom in on it, which I'm sure I can. If you look, oh Dad, you knocked them off. Oh no, there's one out there.
Yeah, no, it's pulling off.
Okay, so if you look right there, there is a Copenhagen can. And that's kind of a pretty good distance, or a size distance to show you. So you can see what I can see right here. And this is what I'm going to be shooting through. Right there. Just basic old iron sights. So, Tyler, you're going to have to come watch the camera and see if I hit the damn thing.
Yeah, you hit it.
Did I really?
Yeah.
First fucking shot.
Damn. Yeah, you knocked it right off the back. That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's so accurate.
Alright. I'll let you shoot it, but I'm going to go up and...
Yeah, reset that Copenhagen can?
Yeah. Alright, we're going to try that again and see if I can hit that one Copenhagen can. One in the middle. I don't think it zooms in any farther. We're about the max zoom.
Okay. You're going for the right between the two targets there?
Yeah.
Okay. I think you just nicked it and it rolled off.
Let me see if I'm gonna aim for one of the targets. Oh, that spring's messed up. I bet you that's what's doing it. Yeah, because these are... Aim for that. I'm gonna aim for the right target.
Okay. Dude, you're like just under the bullseye.
That's what I thought.
That's crazy.
So we still have the one Copenhagen can up there, and then we have both targets. I'm pretty sure we're going to be able to tell if Tyler hits the left one or the right one, because the left one has Dad's 30-06 rounds, and they're not even close.
Wait, which Copenhagen one is still up?
The one on the right.
On the right, there's
Okay,
one on
so
the
I'll
right.
just aim for that general spot.
Just above it.
Oh.
I think that was off to... That might have been just underneath it.
Damn. Probably shoot for the gong.
Okay.
You can actually see that cut through the air. There must be enough moisture in the air.
Yeah. It was off to the left.
Ah.
Alright, Deadeye Craig is going to try and aim for that Copenhagen can, since he showed us up with every other gun we own. Let's see if he can do it with this one as well. I know, you expect a recoil on it, so you really brace for it.
Yeah, it looks like it went down there.
It went down, but I don't know if you hit it or not. Just to show you, there's no trickery here. He is sitting down on the ground right there. Once again, that is an iron-sighted Sears and Roebuck. We're not sure the age of it, but it is old. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. I've been Pyro. Remember, videos are coming sporadically now, so hit the notification icon. It's a little bell icon right down there, right by my name. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll leave links for my Instagram, Tyler's Instagram, and that way you can look us up and give us a follow on Instagram as well. Thanks for watching. I've been Pyro. Have a wonderful day.